Over the years, I've heard of several people who have unfortunately lost the back battery cover to their Panasonic DR60. And this can be pretty frustrating because these units were built in the 1990s and you just can't get these parts anymore. So what do? Are you stuck without a battery cover for the rest of your life? Well, there is one solution that may work. It's not a perfect solution, but it's a pretty good solution. I would recommend looking on eBay or some other place for the radio version. Now, I buy these radio versions and I hack them. I turn them into Panabox, but you can get them about $50 or so sometimes on eBay. And there's a whole bunch of parts you can use, but one of the parts is this back battery cover. It actually fits the Panasonic DR60, but make sure you get the RF ND100 or the RF ND200 model. So let me just take this cover off and I'll slip it onto the DR60 and just show you that it actually does fit nicely. So if you have an issue with the color, you can always get a silver spray paint and you can paint that cover up. And here's one that I took off an RF ND100 and I've painted it silver. Now it's not a perfect match. You could actually do the research and get a perfect match. But by the time you snap that on, you basically just pay for the radio and for the spray paint and you're back in business. So just a quick little fix if you run into that situation and you're okay with a slight color change. It works in a snap.